Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to download Call of Duty Warzone on PC and laptop. So first is just simply go to callofduty.com, and this will be the official site of Call of Duty, and just simply go ahead and select games over here at the top, and you will have here called Warzone. So just simply select this one, and after that you will have here multiple platform, but I recommend going for the battle.net. So guys, if you have a Steam already, you could just simply download the Warzone on the Steam, but I recommend going for the battle.net. And now from here, it will redirect you to another site. And after that, it will be automatically downloaded here on the top right. And just simply go to the file location over here and just simply double click on it. And from here, just simply select a language and select continue. And a pop-up window will show up and just simply select yes. And after that, it will download or install the battle.net. And after that, just simply select a file location over here. And now just simply select continue and it will install the battle.net. Now guys, once it is done installing, you can just simply sign in into an account, or you could just simply continue with this social media platform over here. Or if you don't have an account, you could just simply create a new account. Now guys, once you are signed in, you could just simply go to the shop over here at the top. And after that, you could just simply use the search icon over here and search for Warzone. And now from here, just simply click on this one, Call of Duty Warzone, and it will redirect you to this tab, and you can just simply select play over here. And now from here, just simply select play for free, and from here just simply verify your date of birth and select submit, and just simply select a installation location over here by clicking change folder. And after that, you could change the default language and enable the auto update or create a desktop shortcut, and just simply select continue. And from here, just make sure to check this one, Modern Warfare 2 and the Warzone 2022 and the Warzone over here, and select start install. And after that, just simply wait for it to be installed. Now guys, once it is done, you will just simply select play over here, and it will launch the Call of Duty. And after that, it will load up. Now from here guys, just simply select these three boxes over here to continue and select continue down below. And now from here, just simply set up your Call of Duty, and once you are done, just simply select continue. And from here, update requires restart, so just simply select restart now. And after that, just simply close the advertisements over here on the top right. And from here, you could just simply select this one, Call of Duty Warzone, and select play. And from here, you could just simply select play over here guys on the top. And you should be able to match up with different games over here. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching guys.